Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to set no-go zones on the MOVA V50 Ultra. No-go zones, virtual walls and no-mop zones are already added to my map. You can see there's a virtual wall, this thin red line. Then this red rectangle is a no-go zone, and this orange rectangle is a no-mop zone. A virtual wall will not be passed by the robot, so it's just helpful in case you don't want the robot to go somewhere at all, to pass a certain wall that isn't there, but you can add it virtually. Then there's a no-go zone, which is just an area the robot won't enter because it may get stuck there, or you just don't want it to touch that area. A no-mop zone is an area where the robot will only vacuum. It will automatically detach its mopping pads and then go there with just vacuuming without mopping. And that's helpful especially for carpets or just floors you don't want to get wet. And now to do it, you need to click on the map editing button in the top right corner, then go to no-go zone and virtual wall. You can add a virtual wall, you can move it around, you can also resize it like that. You can rotate it, resize it, do whatever you want here. I'll remove it. Then you can add a no-go zone, you can also resize it, rotate it, and move it around or delete it. And you can add a no-mop zone. There's this red area around the charging station that you shouldn't place any no-go zone, no-mop zone, or virtual walls around, because that's the area where the robot must be able to move freely. And when I save it, it's done. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.